Hello, everyone. I'm about to discuss the difference between the Jamaican and the English culture. There's a vast difference growing up in Jamaica and transitioning to England. There's a lot of differences coming from that culture to this culture. And for this reason, I think, in view of my experiences being here almost 30 years and what I've been through, I realize that I've been misunderstood and that people need to understand me as a person and what my beliefs are and what I stand for and what my interests and ambitions are, because obviously along the way I've been misunderstood. I need to point that out and explain the difference between the two cultures, because coming here it was like a culture clash. So I've spent 25 years or more promoting cultural awareness, and I think in order to interact or identify with somebody, you need to understand them, their personality, what their views are and perspectives on life as a whole. So from here on now, I'll be filling you in with the semantics and whatever else. Okay? So keep watching this space. All right? Cheers.